Flåm Railway is a masterpiece of Norwegian engineering ingenuity. Here, in the Flåm Railway Museum, you acquaint yourself with the fascinating history of the train and the line from Flåm to Mørdal. The tunnels, which were carved from the rock using muscle power alone. The Bergen train, which has connected Oslo and Bergen since 1909, urgently required a connection to the Sognefjord, and in 1920 construction of the branch line was started. In 1940, steam trains ran on the line for the first time, and in 1944 the Flåm Railway became the first electrified railway line in Norway. Journeying from Flåm to Mørdal is an unforgettable experience on one of the most beautiful and spectacular railway lines in the world. The train has to master a 20-kilometer stretch of track and overcome a height difference of 863 meters. In order to meet the necessary safety level, the train has 5 independent brake systems. There are 8 stops, 20 tunnels, many bridges and a number of very tight bends with a radius of only 130 meters. For the whole journey, the train needs roughly 60 minutes. Many tourists traveling on the train hire a trekking bike in Flåm in order to cycle the return journey from Mørdal along the charming downhill track. At Berekvam, there's a place where the two trains meet and pass each other. The railway pioneers and migrating workers, who were called rallare, made the railway you can see here on your right. As a rather unique service, the train stops at the Kjosfossen waterfall to allow passengers to take photographs. When you see the Reinungavatnet lake shining like a blue pearl, then you will know that the train will soon arrive in Mørdal, where it meets the Bergen train.